I just wanted to inquire about the scheme. Could you please explain me in detail?
Definitely. So before we go ahead, just wanted to know how did you come to know about the scheme?
Actually, one of my friend, she introduced me with this scheme, and I'm really interested to invest into this.
Okay, firstly I will let you know you have come at the right place.
Mm-hmm.
We are very genuine, wherein this particular scheme that we have come up with is after all the requests that we have received from various different people. They have approached because if you see today's market conditions are such that things are getting very expensive. So to win any big prize, it is very difficult, and to buy it is more difficult because savings are very rare. Okay, so let's come back to the scheme. Basically, this is Win Big Group where dreams become reality. Out here, if you see, we have very easy, affordable installment of just 1,111 rupees.
Okay.
That you need to pay only for 6 months. It's not a long scheme.
Every month?
Every month, only for 6 months. And the best part is you can participate from any part of India. So if you are an Indian living in India, you can surely participate. And we have made things very easy. It would be online that you could do the payment, and you would receive a card online stating that
Coupon.
yes, the coupon card basically stating all your details with a unique identification number stating your unique code on it. Alright?
Just a doubt, whether I have to pay any taxes with this installment fee or something?
Okay. So here, this is only 1,111 rupees that you need to pay every month. This is inclusive of the taxes. Okay. By the end of the scheme, you are paying in total 6,666 only.
Yeah.
It's a very small amount for such lovely, beautiful prices.
Yeah, right.
If you see, initial first 5 months, there are prices like bike or Umrah, because this was the demand of many people that they can't afford such expensive things. So we have come up with this. Then there would be a mobile phone and a laptop basically. And after this, on the 6th month, it would be a grand draw. In the grand draw, it would be a bike or Umrah followed by 3 washing machines, 3 refrigerators or 3 televisions. So before you proceed and think something, let me be very clear. Per winner, it will be 1 item.
Oh, okay.
So the coupons will go properly in the draw. It will be properly tumbled around, and then genuinely, randomly, 1 ticket will be picked up for each particular item.
Okay, okay. So could you please elaborate on rules and regulations, because what if at the end of the 6 months I have done all the installments, but will I get the refund or something?
No, let me be very clear that you have asked a very good question.
Okay.
Herein, once you pay the amount, you won't get any refund. So before investing, read the details, speak to your family, decide, and only then enroll.
Okay.
So every month you're paying 1,111. There will be no refunds at the end of the scheme, nor during the scheme. Okay. So initially, when you're paying, the payment time duration would be between 1st to 10th of each month.
Okay.
And lucky draw every month will be taken out at 15th. Now, I know there is a question going on in your mind that how will you come to know you have won or not?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, because many tickets, they randomly show the numbers and you're not sure it's genuine or not. But here, to keep things very genuine, very clear, very transparent, we have done, you have 2 alternatives. One, you could just visit Davangere in Karnataka, wherein this draw is happening. But now, as you are from a different state altogether, you can't travel that long. We have made things more easy for you. You can just go on the YouTube link that we will provide you. On 15th, 8 o'clock, okay, 8 p.m. sharp, we will start with the draw. It will be live.
Okay.
So everything that is happening, it's happening in front of your eye.
Okay.
So-
Great. Nice.
This is a very genuine part that you won't see everywhere and anywhere. To keep a transparency and to ensure that everyone is getting a fair chance to win, we have to come up with this particular folio.
Okay, nice.
So what are the questions that are running up in your mind basically?
Yeah, I just wanted to know about how should I contact, how can I enroll for this, how can I make payments, like all these questions. Could you just give me a nutshell about these?
Perfectly fine. See, there are many numbers that we have. We will be definitely sharing it on the screen. But I will just read out one particular number. 6361945772. Okay, you can contact this number. Or what you could do is, you could email us as well at wbg.winbiggroup@gmail.com. Okay. Or you could just call and WhatsApp on the number that I provided and the details that I will be sharing on the screen. You could contact out there, enroll yourself. Okay. Once you enroll, if you are not in the same city, then they will give you a virtual card with your unique identification number, name, contact number and address mentioned on it. Okay. So that you have the details. It will be a virtual card which will look like this. It will have all the details, and every month whenever you pay, the payment date and the signature of the authorized person will be mentioned here. So that it's a genuine thing that you come to know that you are paying and you have a record when did you pay. I will recommend that you never delay on it, because if you miss out by any chances, that particular month will not be considered. And if next month you want your number, your coupon to be in the draw, then you need to pay the previous months that you have missed out. So herein, why to miss a chance if you can give it on a regular basis and give more chances to win?
Right. I just have a doubt. What if I pay all the installments and I don't win any of the prizes? Is there some consolation regarding the prizes, or
Of
maybe
course, yeah,
because you said there's no refund?
Yes, your question is just perfect, to be honest. Here we have many consolation prizes, and the products are branded products with their warranty cards.
Oh.
So that once you get it, the warranty duration starts, and you can be rest assured that if there is any trouble in the product, you can directly contact that particular brand and they will help you out.
Oh, okay.
So let me tell you what are the consolation prizes that you can pay. It will be an oven, OTG oven, mixer grinder, iron box, tiffin box, mop and steel water bottle.
Oh.
These entire thing you will be winning.
And can I get the price of these things? Like, what is the total price if we just add on the prices altogether?
See, if you go anywhere and you purchase things, it will cost you somewhere around 10 to 12,000 rupees. But here you're just paying 6,666, and in case you don't win the grand prizes or the big prizes, then you're definitely winning the consolation prizes. You're not going home empty-handed. We have ensured that everyone goes home with something or the other.
Nice.
And the best part is, once a final draw is taking place, the members that have done the payment of all six months, okay, they have not missed out a single payment, they will be receiving this consolation prizes. That too, it will be delivered to their home. So you don't need to panic. If you are not winning anything, your consolation prize will reach to you at home. What are the other questions that are coming up in your mind?
No, great. I understood everything. I'm just seeing the Instagram handles and YouTube handles for the same.
Definitely, I will just read out to you. In fact, if you go for the YouTube one, we have Win Big Group, okay, and Instagram, if you go, it's Win Big Group again. But remember one thing, that this particular amount that you're paying is the installment for your items that you're going to get. It's not something that you're playing around with. It's a genuine installment that you're paying in advance to get those products. One. Secondly, remember one thing, we will not give you cash in case you win any of the big prizes, grand prizes or consolation prizes. You cannot tell us to interchange any gift. Whatever you win, that is pure luck. that you're going to win, and it won't be changed. In case it's a bike, okay, then you need to pay whatever government taxes are applicable on it.
Okay, so the GST and everything is to be paid by the bidder,
Of
and
course.
the items are going to be gifted by the company or whatsoever.
Exactly. And always remember one thing, we don't have any branches.
Win Big Group. Where dreams become reality. Season 1. Please ask detailed terms and conditions and requesting you to read all the terms and conditions details carefully before enrolling. Disclaimer. The organizer has no branches or franchises. Monthly installment is not considered as an investment but an advance payment for future purchases. Organizer's decision, final and binding. All members must pay monthly installments for 6 months. No refunds will be given under any circumstance during or after completing the installments. Please note, these guidelines are subject to change. Please refer to the latest version for the most accurate information. All rights reserved with the organizer. The organizer's decision is final and binding.